Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about example of expected value of the random variable. So the given example is if x has the probability density function fx of x is equal to e power minus x for x greater than 0 and fx of x is equal to 0 otherwise. Find the expected value of g of x is equal to e power 3x by 4. So coming to the solution, given that the probability density function is fx of x is e power minus x for x greater than 0. So we know that the mathematical expected value of the function g of x is for continuous case. Expectation of g of x is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity g of x into fx of x dx. So given that the function g of x is e power 3x by 4 and the density function is e power minus x for x greater than 0. Applying the given data into this equation, we get expectation of g of x is equal. When you applying the given data, the range of the x is 0 to infinity. G of x is e power 3x by 4. Density function is e power minus x. C power 3x into e power minus x is written as e power 3x by 4 minus x and reducing the term e power minus x by 4. Integral e power minus x by 4 dx is e power minus x by 4 divided by minus 1 by 4 over 0 to infinity. Now substitute upper value of x and lower value of x, we get. So 1 by minus 1 by 4 is minus 4 into substitute upper value of x e power minus infinity minus substitute lower value of x minus e power minus 0. E power minus infinity value is 0, e power minus 0 value is 1. So therefore expectation of the function g of x is 4. So this is the example of expected value of the function g of x.